Greetings, fellow learners. I've had several emails from students wondering exactly what needed to be included in the Module 1 Excel report, which is the first part of 3 parts for this Excel document. I'm going to share my screen with you and go through my copy of the Excel report so you can get an idea about what I would expect from you. You can see that I have created a title page for my Excel report. I did an editable download from a Google search, worked on it in Word, and saved it as a picture. I did a snipping tool of this and then copied and pasted it over the cells in my Excel document. I have my name, the course name, the Module 1 Excel report, the title, the date that it's due. I have my contact information, my email, and my phone. And then I included the Temple College logo because you're supposed to have college information. On the scenario 1, you can see that I have copied and pasted the 5 questions, and I answered question number 2. I typed it in bold red. I deleted the question and typed over some information that I would have gotten from the video. For scenario 2, you can see the 5 questions, and you can see that I answered question number 3. For scenario 3, you can see that I answered question number 5. I still copied all 5 questions, but I only answered number 5. For scenario number 4, I answered question number 2, but I didn't give a complete answer to it, so I might not get full credit for this type of answer. For number 5, I answered question number 4. But if you look at my answer here, it says I wasn't sure from the video. I think I will watch the video again. That's really not answering the question that was asked about profit for a particular value from the scenario, from Alon's marketing. So I wouldn't get credit for that answer, even though I did answer it. For scenario 6, I answered question number 2. I didn't get this from the video. This came from me relating what I heard in the video to a question from my own life. So what I hope you see, I'm going to stop sharing for just a minute. What I hope you see is that there was a title page. There were 6 sheets, 1 for each scenario, and I answered 1 of the 5 questions for each scenario. Please don't hesitate to email me if you still have questions. And remember that this assignment, the video needs to be, the URL for your video from YouTube needs to be uploaded by 11:59 p.m. this coming Sunday, September 8th. I'm looking forward to looking at all of your Excel reports for Module 1. Thank you.